Okay, we landed it. Nice and echoey down in the basement here, but this weekend we'll take a look at these guys. A little 24th scale FMS Max Smasher. This has a speed motor in it and a treal metal transmission gears. So it lets us do more fun stuff. Probably going to be a lot of rollovers in this video. I'm going to try and apply what I learned and try and get a continuous run. Back her up for the main jump. Alright, back flip. Oh, we'll try another perspective. Ah, couldn't save it. Run it again. We landed it, we count it. Ah, full perspective. You saw nothing. Got some jumps we formed out of cardboard and the flywheels ramps. Alright, we're doing good. We got a good run going. I'm sorry if I'm silent, it just takes every bit of focus I have to keep this thing driving. Since the drag brake's kind of weird and you gotta be really careful with your throttle control. Tried to cross thread it, didn't work. Alright, try another run here. Flipped it immediately. Nice. Try again. If I can line it up, that is. Wow, I am just a miserable failure. Third time's the charm. Oh, come on! Okay, we'll move on for now. Trim out my steering. Oh, I had a good run going. Oh. Well, there you go, guys. There's the FMS Max Smasher. I broke the light bar off the top of it there. And yeah, that's with a speed motor and some metal transmission gears, and that's all we did to it. It's doing flips and hitting some decent sized jumps down here, being a little fun wintertime basher. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Let me know if you want to see more stuff with these little guys, and I'll see you later.